Stevon NextLevel Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's talk about 3 things every gamer needs to succeed on YouTube. There are some advantages that we can gain. We can get the edge on other gamers out there. Make sure you watch this all the way through to the end. Got some extra PowerPoints, different tips and strategies from my own experience you do not want to miss. What's coming up? Let's get into it. So I received a comment on my channel from one of my subscribers. Big shout out to RG Rhino Games. He left me a comment. He was specific about one thing, but I don't want to give it away. I said, why not put together a video, 3 things that we could use as gamers, even myself on my game channel. This video is being brought to us by TubeBuddy, but we'll talk more about them in a little bit. So the first thing that I found out every gamer needs to succeed is a game or games that they really enjoy. You know, a lot of times I've seen a lot of gamers out there that really don't enjoy what they're doing, just following the crowd. Find a game that you really enjoy, preferably one that you're even good at. Play that game, do your thing, have fun with it. That's the first thing that every gamer needs, a game that they love and enjoy. Mine is Golf Clash. I got my own channel, The Golf Clash Chill Zone, with my man Von JBiz. So check out the Golf Clash Chill Zone if you're in the golf world. You got yours, I've got mine. Gotta have at least one game or games. Gotta be something that you enjoy and something that you're good at. And that's the first thing that every gamer needs to succeed as a gamer on YouTube. The second thing that every gamer needs is a microphone or a sound system. And this, of course, depends. Maybe you're not doing your voiceover. And as you can see, it doesn't really have to be anything fancy. This is what I used to use when I was first starting out. I started out using just a microphone. I used this Samsung mic. That's the one that I use. That's the kind that uses the USB port. I'll get to that in a minute. Second thing that we need is a microphone. Now, the one that you see on the screen, that goes with your laptop. If you're a gamer and you use a laptop, you'll use the one that has the USB port. You can see that? USB port. It has a USB to connect right into your computer. You can use your microphone for that. So think about that when you put together your gaming channel. If you're going to be doing voiceover, there's a certain way that you could do it with different microphones. They also have microphones that you could use to plug right into your phone for a live stream. You can use something that plugs right into your phone and fits your lapel. It'll fit your lapel, fit right into your iPhone, and you can clip it right on you. That's another way you can have your microphone if you're using your iPhone or your phone for gaming. And of course, nowadays, you really don't even have to have a fancy microphone for that. You could use the mic right on your phone these days. You really don't have to have that. You could use the mic right on your phone. That will give you the quality that you need, but you want to make sure that you're not too close and not too far away. If you're too close, it'll start clipping. I'll show you more about that in a minute. But yeah, that's the second thing. If you're doing voiceover, you're a gamer, need some type of microphone, some type of way to get your sound out there. And like I said, I used the one that with the USB connects right to your computer, nothing fancy. To succeed on YouTube, this is how we excel on this platform. Now, before I give you number 3, just want to take some time, show some love. All my subscribers who've been viewing my channel, leaving comments, interacting, mean a lot. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, subscribe, hit that bell and be the first to get my next video. Love to have you. So let's get back into this. The third thing that every gamer needs to succeed on this YouTube platform is we need a game plan. We need a strategy. So many times, even looking back in my life, when I first started my game channel, just needed a plan, a strategy to put together with my game channel. Think about it. This is not checkers. These days, you got to play chess. It's a mind thing. It's about that mindset. Next level. If you're part of the family, you already know. Get to that next level. So think about it like that. So yeah, that we need a game plan. That's what we need. A game plan, a strategy put together. We can make it happen today. We can do this. And that's why I love TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is one of those tools that can help us to excel in this game plan. They have extensions for your YouTube browser. It is the #1 YouTube browser to help every gamer, every content creator. They deal with SEO, search engine optimization, find titles for your video. They'll also help you to do A and B testing, one thumbnail against another thumbnail. They have so many tools. So check out TubeBuddy with the link in the description. It's free to get started. And if you use that link, I'll get credit for that and you can upgrade anytime. So huge shout out to TubeBuddy. Thank you so much. Check them out with the link in the description. I've got some extra power tips, some extra bonus points that I want to share with you. First, if you've enjoyed this so far, hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let others know this video, this video. It'll let them know it's worth watching. You hit the like button. So now the first extra tip that I want to share with you when it comes to being a gamer on this platform, definitely be willing to experiment with different game types. Be willing to break the rules of what you see. Study other gamers, but also be willing to put your own personality to it. Even in my game, Golf Class Chill Zone, my avatar, Bon J-Biz, coming on. It's something that I decided to do different. So find your personality, find your uniqueness in your gameplay. Be willing to do what you think is best for you. Experiment with different video types. It's one thing that has helped me in my gaming channel, and I'm looking forward to seeing that grow. Leave me a comment. Let me know what's the name of your game. Mine is Golf Class Chill Zone. So definitely check that out and keep that in mind. This next bonus point I want to share talks about that microphone. Remember we talked about that earlier? You want to make sure your volume is just right. Your volume is not too strong. As a matter of fact, I want to show you something. I'm going to put this on the screen. It's going to cover me up for a minute, but look at that. Right there, you can see it's in the yellow. If you turn it up too loud, you notice how it gets into the red zone, right? That's what you want to avoid. You don't want anything in that red zone. So make sure you check your monitor on your microphone. Make sure you check that. What you want to do is keep it right there in that yellow area, right up close to the red, but not bumping that red out. That's what they call clipping. So keep that in mind when you take care of your microphone. If you decide to go with a mic where that you can monitor the sound, keep that in mind. Make sure you're not clipping. Make it too long. And for many of us, we have our games together. We got our games together. We're doing our thing. And we just have to decide how we're going to go forth, what we're going to do. And part of my purpose on this channel is to help others to develop that mindset, to go to that next level. And some of you watching this right now, you just want to get your mind right. You just need some mindset strategies to keep you in this game. So check out this video right here. 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. Check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.